Oh, be still my rocky heart. Just take it in. This is absolutely gorgeous.
Hey, you! Oh, what are you doing here?
We don't like strangers here in omnipotent city. Grape.
We seek an audience with Zeus.
Zeus? The Zeus? Zeus?
Oh, so he does have a second name.
Well, I think I can tell you where to find him because he's my father. And I'm his youngest son, Dionysus.
We need to speak to him about the God Butcher.
Oh, the prosciutto man.
No, a maniac that's been killing gods.
Wow, boring. I'm off to Aphrodite's for pre-drinks. She's an insufferable cow, but she's got the good stuff. And then we're all going to the Golden Temple for Daddy's great godly brouhaha. I'm even telling you this. Let's go. Come on.
Great!
To the Golden Temple.
Thor!
Thor! Hello, Guardians.
What's up, buddy? Can you open your eyes?
My superheroing days are over.
Oh, great. Guys! I hate to break up whatever the hell this is, but listen, we need your help to win the battle.
I am helping win the battle.
Mantis, put him to sleep. We'll drag him down.
Do not Mantis me.
He has seen many he loves perish. He feels their blood is on his hands.
All right. You know what? Fine. You sit here. Let's go. This way they'll make a statue of me when I save the planet. You stay there and don't be a hero.
Wait, hold on. It wouldn't hurt to go and help those innocent people down there. Let's get to it, shall we? All right. Okay, come on, climb aboard. Come on, people are dying. Okay, you on? Here we go. Up, Stormbreaker, come. Okay, count of three, jump. 1, 2, 3. Sometimes it just doesn't want to work. Off. You're wasting time. Come.
Relax. It doesn't work on me!
Hey, Quill! What? Isn't this beautiful? What is that glorious aroma?
I think it's all the bodies!
Oh, no. It's wonderful. I remember when we first arrived here. Just a bunch of foolish kids, really. What did I tell you?
Well, you said we were going on a vacation to Indigaria. It was beautiful, the sunrise. You mentioned nothing about it spinning off into chaos and utter pain. Pain?
I hope you feel better. Oh, Corgi, there you are. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good, bro.
Great. Look at this guy. Sleeping on the job, are we? Lazy bones.
He's dead.
Damn it. What, sir? I told you.
Listen to me, man. You have got to get us out of here. You remember when you told us that this was going to be a safe vacation? I said, are you certain? You said, oh, yeah, 100%.
Out of 1,000%. Besides, last time I was here, it was safe.
When was that?
12 AD.
It's your choice, Jane. But I'd regret it every single day if I didn't ask you to stay here so we could try and figure this out together.
What if you don't come back?
I'm gonna come back.
You could also totally die.
No, well, I'll totally die. I don't know why.
Why?
Because the fact of the matter is I'm unkillable. I can't die. Because I have something worth living for now, something worth fighting for, and that is you.
Have you been standing there this whole time?
Yes. It seems like you are an emotion god after all. Come with me. I have something you might need. I want to teach you something. Something I haven't even told my sons. I have a lot of sons. Thunderbolt can be anything. Thunderbolt is just electricity. You can have it anytime you call. Power is everywhere. You just have to harness it. Now you point. Power comes from the heart. Like the Romans say, apri il cuore. Open your heart. Open your heart. Yes. Eternity is at the edge of space. You go, and you go, until you can't go no further. There you will find the altar of eternity.
Thunderbolt will take you there.
You sure you won't come with us? We could really use the king of the gods.
No. To go there, you must be pure. Zeus is many things, but he's not pure. Apri il cuore.
Good to go?
Yeah. How are we getting there?